Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Aquarius, this is your reading for the month of May and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Aquarius will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know, Aquarius. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. Alright, I'm shuffling the cards, and let's see what you need to know. Also, if you're interested in private reading, I have restarted one question, two question, three question series. And if you are interested in getting done a personal reading from me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Again, the details of the same are in description box and comment section, Aquarius. So let's see, Aquarius, what do you need to know for the month of May? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the month of May? What are the general messages and love messages you need to know for the month of May? The King of Cups, Ten of Wands, then we have the King of Swords, the Temperance, Three of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck, we have Five of Cups. You might be dealing with a Scorpio, you might be dealing with a Sagittarius, you might be dealing with Libra, you might be dealing with Sagittarius is standing out, you might be dealing with Leo, you might be dealing with Cancer, Pisces. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might see a lot of 222, a lot of 555, a lot of 333, triple one. I'm also hearing 777, 717. Right. So, Aquarius, what you need to know for the month of May, your focus will be uh, towards investing love into yourself. Will be more about self love. It will be more about attaining the equilibrium that you feel like is either lost or there is some imbalance when it comes to equilibrium. And it's kind of you somewhere there is this feeling or somewhere there is this intuitive download that is coming towards you which is kind of telling you that you probably need to you need to prepare yourself for the further journey. Okay, now this further journey might require you to drop certain situations or people, might require you to have new beginnings, right? I think so. And for some of you, you're making taking some conscious actions towards certain situations, or you will take some conscious actions towards certain situation or people's actions, like distancing yourself from some people or distancing yourself from certain situations, maybe resigning from a job, maybe starting something of your own. For some of you, you're going to take like actions, similar actions, putting an end to something or beginning something new, similar actions from a subconscious place of mind. Okay, whatever it is, I do see you being an action oriented person in the month of May. Okay. There is someone from the past who wants to step up, Aquarius. There is someone from the past who wants to be that king rather than a page. There is someone from the past who wants you to drop the grudges that you have in your mind when it comes to them. Okay, this person probably did something to hurt you, but for some of you, I do feel like probably it is pretty late for this person to come towards you. I think so. You're so heavily invested in yourself, Aquarius. You're so heavily invested in taking care of yourself that in the midst of that, you have definitely distanced yourself from this person. You're coming across as emotionally withdrawn and completely emotionally withdrawn from that situation. uh, you probably are feeling that emotional distance between you and this person, and you're already reinvesting that love, that energy in yourself, because your focus is towards equilibrium, attaining the balance that you're craving for. Maybe for some of you, you've realized that this person, while you were with this person, till the time you were with this person, you probably were there was always some sort of imbalance that you experienced, or probably there were certain catastrophic events that you experienced while you were with this person. But the moment you distanced yourself from this person, or you blocked yourself from this person, you blocked this person everywhere else, on social media, on phone, and etc etc, I think so you started realizing that um, you know life is looking better. Okay. Life is looking free and light, and maybe there is some heaviness in your energy that you have gotten rid of. Okay. Maybe you absorbed this person's energy a lot, and somewhere I do feel like this person had a lot of baggages, lot of karmic baggages, and it was this person's responsibility to face any kind of karmic punishments, or resolve those karmic issues. While you were with that person, certain things happened with you. Like, say for example, your car tire used to get punctured for no reason, your car used to break down for no reasons. Say for example, there was always some or other repair work that was being happening at in your kitchen, in your home. Sorry, there was a call. I had to pause the video. So I was like, many times probably you might have experienced certain breakdowns at your home, or there was some unnecessary repairs work that were happening. Probably certain issue was recurring again and again, despite resolving the same. Like, there was some repair work in the car, repair work related to your furniture, repair work in the kitchen, and plumbing work, or something of that sort. Or maybe you were breaking down your glasses for no reason. Okay, breakdown of glassware was happening. I think so probably something of this sort has happened because you were kind of absorbing this person's karma, but at the same time, because of the fact that you were so heavily protected, things were happening at a very nominal scale, things were happening at a very small scale when it comes to you. But when it comes to this person is already going through a lot of karmic punishment, but they are hiding things from you. Okay. So I do feel somewhere deep down you have this feeling, Aquarius, like this person already, I mean, they are kind of, they did not do enough for you, and that's why you were kind of forced to walk away. Maybe now they are coming back as a better person, as a better version of themselves. But somewhere with 10 of Wands next to the King of Cups, I feel like you have already given up on this situation. Or maybe you're just telling this person, like, you know what, I'm gonna take my own time. I don't know, I cannot promise reconciliation, I cannot promise getting back to you. Okay, because you have absolute, you doubt this person, you doubt this person's intentions. And somewhere I'm feeling like you don't want to reverse the process of healing that you have started for yourself. You don't want to reverse the process of self improvement and self love that you are giving to yourself. You don't want to reverse that process, right? So I do feel that many of you are letting go off of this connection, and you're moving towards a next connection, or a next person. There is a new person that is about to enter in your life, Aquarius. And with Ace of Cups, King of Swords, I do feel like you're attracting someone who is very intelligent, someone who is well balanced, someone who is going to be protective about you, someone who will respect you very well. Okay, someone who will care for your happiness, because we also have Temperance over here. Temperance is definitely indicating me that the new people and the new situations that you're going to attract, those new people and those new situations will make sure that there is equilibrium that is maintained in your life. Okay, you don't have to go through unnecessary imbalances, emotional imbalance, financial imbalance. For many of you, I think so, your finances also got impacted till when you were with this person. Probably your expenses increased or got escalated to such a level, and you kept on wondering, like, why my expenses are going up for no reason. Okay. So I do feel like the new person will make sure that equilibrium is there. There will be a lot of joy that will come towards you, Aquarius, and there is a fantastic new beginning. And you always wanted someone who will take care of you, who will be protective about you, who will have that similar, I mean, who will show that similar care and concern that you always end up showing towards your person. Okay. And yeah, that's what I see, Aquarius. The past person is definitely missing you, and you're on the verge of moving on. Yeah. There are many cards that are indicating that you are on the verge of moving on. You are on the verge of, moving in a different direction, moving in the direction where you will be looking out for new opportunities, new beginnings. Okay, people with a similar mindset, soul tribe, if I may say. Yeah, you're becoming a stronger version of yourself, Aquarius, and you're not going to settle for less. You're not going to settle for less. This person is coming back. This past person, they are coming back, and they are coming across as someone who is pretty desperate. But at the same time, I do feel like they are not going to experience that warmth and that energy from you, the kind of warmth and love and care that they experienced from you in the past. They will feel like they are dealing with a new person whom they don't know, whom they don't know at all. It's not going to be the case that you're going to be rude towards this person, but I think so your emotions for this person have dried up. That's what I'm feeling. But still, see, they are in this energy of Knight of Wands. Okay, so still in and out and uncertain and everything, right? Three of Swords is again telling me like this person is somewhere. I feel like this person is a bit clueless. You kind of triggered something inside this person, and they, till the time you guys were together, this person always felt safe. This person always felt peaceful. They loved the way you treated them, the kind of love you gave to this person. They loved that. Okay, and they're trying to come back to have that similar experience, but they will be heartbroken when they will see that you're no more interested in giving them that experience, because even if you end up giving that experience to them, you are not going to get anything in return, you know that. Okay, you will be left high and dry, and you will find yourself getting drained. Okay, and again, like, you don't want to reverse whatever you have started, the healing that you have started, the self improvement that you have started, the self love that you're showing to yourself. You don't want to stop that journey. You don't want to go back and forth on that. Yes, ultimately you are trying to be this empress. Okay, in the energy of absolute abundance. You're going to travel the world. There are major cycles that are coming to an end, and there are new beginnings for sure. For many of you, I also feel like there are changes in the career that are happening. Maybe for some of you, there is a new career that you're beginning, which is going to give you tremendous amount of money. Hierophant. The next connection is going to give you a lot of. It's going to be that wish fulfillment. The next connection. Okay, you're gonna find yourself in a committed situation. For some of your promotions that are happening, there is a lot of name, fame, reputation that is coming towards you. People are going to give you that respect, love and respect that you always wanted. Nine of Swords. This person is going through sleepless nights, but I think so whatever this person is going through right now, it's a part of their karma. Once they are out of this, I think so they will be, they will be definitely a couple of steps ahead in their spiritual journey, and that is something that is extremely needed for this person at the moment. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. Let me show you the spread. This is your spread, Aquarius. This is your spread. All right, take care, have a great time, and bye bye.